Hello student, let's see why is the color of the clear sky is blue. The molecule of air and other fine particle in the atmosphere have size smaller than the wavelength of visible light. These are the more effective in scattering the light of shorter wavelength at the blue end than light of the longer wavelength at the red end. The red light has the wavelength about 1.8 times greater than the blue light. Thus, when the sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the fine particle in air is scattered the blue color, shorter wavelength, more strongly than red. The scattered blue light enters our eyes. If the earth had no atmosphere, there would not be any scattering, and then the sky would look like dark. The sky appears dark to passenger flying at very high altitude, as scattering is not prominent at such heights. You might have observed the danger signal light are red in color. Do you know why? The red is the least scattered by fog or smoke, therefore, it can be seen in the same color at the distant object. So, blue color, why? You know, student, VIBGYOR is there. This is the blue color, student. Here is the red color is long wavelength. This is the long wavelength. And if you talk about the atmosphere, and this is the short wavelength. Now, student, you have to understand the greater this particle are what, student? Atmosphere particle are fine particle, student. So fine particles, what they can do, student? Fine particle, they can scatter what, student? The smaller, that is shorter wavelength more strongly than the red color, student. Thank you.